In this video, I would like to share with you how to insert data that you've collected into a Google Sheet. And then I will show you how to change the color of the text, make the columns a little bit wider, put lines all around your cells. So we are looking at our sheet here, survey what, and we're going to input some data here. Now, each one of these little lines underneath the column is called a cell. And in cell A1, I'm going to type my answer choices. And then in column B, right here, B1, I'm going to put total responses. Now you notice that these are very skinny, like the little columns are quite skinny. So I'm going to click right up here in between the letters. You'll notice you have your letters all across here. There is a little line. If you hover over it, you'll get two little arrows, and you can move the arrows left or right to make it wider. I'm going to make it just a little bit wider. Just a little bit wider. There we go. Now, I'm going to click over here. Right here, there's a little white space between the 1 under row and the A on the columns. And I'm going to click here, and it's going to highlight the whole sheet. And then on my icon menu, I am going to go over here to the little square with 4 boxes. This is the border icon. And we can add a border around every single cell. So we're going to click that first little box, and then you'll see all of the cells now have lines. I like lines because it helps us read the information a little bit better. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some options. So I had some choices. What fruit do people like? So I added some fruits. So underneath A1, where it says answer choices, I'm going to type my fruits: apples, bananas, coconut, let's see, oranges, and how about a pineapple? Okay. And then I went around and asked all my friends, what their favorite fruit was, and I got a bunch of responses. So I got 5 people said apples, 12 people said bananas, 6 people said coconuts, uh, 13 people said oranges, and 6 people said pineapple. And this is how you insert the data into the columns and the cells. And so you'll notice on row 1, I put my titles under A and B. And then on the next row in the column A, I put all of my options, my answer choices. And then in B2, I started with all of my responses. The other thing we can do is we can change the color of this. We can highlight, and we can click and highlight all over it. And we can go up here to the A where the line is. This is our text color. Remember, the A with the line is how we change the color of our text. So we're going to click, I think, a nice, I don't know, blue. Blue looks good. And I can also click the B for bold and make it a little bit darker. And now I have entered data into my Google Sheet.